Hello, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Vous allez bien? D'accord. So guys, welcome to our French language club, which we are running under the umbrella of A Square Languages. So basically, I'm the founder of A Square Languages. So I've been associated with my lot of partner. Like we have a lot of programs which we are running with an exchange program in Spain. We are running French exchange program in France, which we have great type of the universities programs. So we are basically four partners, which we are running the A Square languages. Like we have the Chinese partner, we have a German partner, I am an Indian partner, and one we have a Japanese partner also. Okay, so we all are see the partners are all young. They have just crossed the age of 30s and they are in 28 as well. So why we basically design this structure, because we want that people and the students will get benefit about these languages. Like we have we created our A Square Academy, in which we are running a lot of programs. We are running Japanese program, we are running French program, we are running Spanish program, German program, we have Italian program as well. So we have a lot of program. We have Chinese program also. So today I have a lesson 2. Basically, I want to give you a delivery in French language. So today my topic is related with French language. French language. In which we'll do irregular verbs in French language. As see, if you are in your Delf, if you want to clear your A1 exam or A2 exam, or you are the beginner for the French language, okay, so you have to have these verbs in place. Okay, so for example, you have a one verb which we call as savoir. So basically, savoir is my irregular verb. Savoir is my irregular verb. We have a verb voir. Répétez après moi. Voir. Voir is to see. So these are my irregular verbs. These irregular conjugations. See, normally what is basically in the French language, we have a verb formula. Like we have a er ending verb formula in French verbs, we have I ending formula, we have r ending verb formula. But I am giving you a delivery because it is a very huge topic, irregular verbs. Because the moment you entered in your you entered in the French language as a beginner, you might face a problem. Why savoir is an irregular verb? Because my irregular verbs, basically they don't have ending, which we have to learn for this. These irregular verb ending we have to learn for this. Okay, so we have verb savoir and voir. Is it clear to you? So if you want to convert your savoir verb, basically if you want to convert your savoir verb, for example, savoir is to know, basically savoir is to know, and your voir verb, that is to see. Your voir verb that is to see. Is it clear to you? So over here we have a verb like je sais, répétez après moi. Je sais is to I know, speak up. Tu sais is to, because see, it is just I have to conjugate my verb, because my savoir verb is to know, right? This is my ironing verb, but this is not a conjugate in terms of my ironing formula. There will be different ending. So speak up. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, répétez après moi. Il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, répétez après moi. Et ils, elles savent, c'est clair. Ils, elles savent. Répétez après moi. Je sais is to I know. Tu sais is to you know. Il, elle sait is to he, she knows. Nous savons is to we know. Vous savez is to you know. And ils, elles savent. It is very important to understand. If you are a French beginner, or you are expert, see, if you are in Delf A2 program as well, so you have to understand first, like what would be my irregular verbs. For example, in English you say I know. It's very common. English, I know, it's very common. But in French we have je sais. So if you are a French learner, so you have to understand these type of conjugations. Because if I'm saying you know that, je sais, sorry, pardon, je suis désolé. tu sais, because you know I'm saying tu sais. So if I'm saying he, she says, il, elle sait, we say, nous savons, you say in terms of a formal, vous savez, and il, elle savent, we have plural. So we have to conjugate this vous savez and il, elle savent. C'est clair. Vous devez répéter après moi. Je sais is to I know, tu sais is to you know, il, elle sait is to he, she knows, nous savons, vous savez, il, elle savent. C'est clair. The same like we have a verb voir. Basically, voir is to see. For example, you say in English, I see, you see. See, it's very common English, I see, you see. Very common English. So if you want to speak very common English, I see, you see, even I think the nursery class, nursery standard guy, he can say I see. Maybe the guy who's in first class, he can say I see. So it's very common French. So first you have to understand, if you entered yourself in the French exam or a French what I would say a levels of French language, so you have to understand these type of conjugation, because this is the starting of your French language. So what is to see? We have je vois, répétez après moi, tu vois. That is, je vois is to I see, tu vois is to you see, il, elle voit. C'est clair. Il, elle voit. Nous voyons. Nous voyons. Vous voyez. Vous voyez. Il, elle voit. C'est clair. So basically this is my irregular conjugation. Je sais is to I know. Je is basically I in French language. Tu sais is to you know. Tu informal we have tu in French language. Il we have he, elle we have she, and say we have no. Because in French language, as you know, we have a different conjugation according to my subject. Okay? Nous savons, vous savez, il, elle savent. C'est clair. I'm repeating one more time. See, if I'm saying I know, that is je sais. If I'm saying you know, tu sais. He, she knows, il, elle sait. We know, nous savons. You know in terms of formal, vous savez, and il, elle savent, we have a plural. The same in French, we have I see, je vois, you see, tu vois, il, elle voit, we have he, she sees, nous voyons, we see, vous voyez, you see, and il, elle voit is they see. C'est clair. So this is my conjugation. If you want to convert like I see, speak up. Je vois is to I see. Oh, I see. Tu vois is to you see. Il, elle voit is to he, she sees. Nous voyons, we see. Vous voyez, you see. And il, elle voit is to they see. C'est clair. So basically this is my ending, because in French language, guys, in English we have I see, you see, he, she sees, we see. My see is common. See with my subject. But in French it is not like that. We have a different conjugation with my subject. My conjugation will depending upon my subject. If I'm saying I see, that is je vois. You see, tu vois, same ending. But il, elle voit will be t ending. Nous voyons, we see will be converted into voyons. You see in terms of what I would say formal, we have vous voyez, and il, elle voit we have. C'est clair. Okay, c'est clair. Now we have our ending. Okay, here. Est-ce que facile है आप लोग? May I add up this? Okay. Est-ce que facile है आप लोग is? May I add up the whiteboard? May I add up the board? Est-ce que facile है आप लोग? Est-ce que facile है आप लोग? So we have a verb now, être, because être is my is-mr, être verb. Être is basically my to be in French language. Être. Être is my is-mr. So for example, if I'm saying I am, you are, he is, she is, what would be my French language? I am, you are, he is, she is. So we have je suis is to see. Is-mr would be to be. Être is to be. This is my full verb, infinitive. But if I want to convert I am would be je suis. So je suis is to I am. C'est clair. Tu es. Tu es is we have you are. Elle, c'est clair. Elle is, he is, she is, c'est clair. So we have just we is to I am, because see we have I am, you are, he is. We also different ending. I with am, you with are, he with is, she with is, we with are. The same in French language. We have a different ending. So we have just we. Speak up. Just we. Speak up. Just we is to I am. To a. To a is to you are. Il, he. Elle, she. Elle is to he is, she is. Nous sommes. Répétez après moi. Nous sommes. Nous sommes is to we are. C'est clair. Vous êtes. Vous êtes is to you are in terms of formal, and ils, elles sont, it means they are. C'est clair. So basically, speak up. Just we is to I am. Speak up, please. Just we is to I am. Tu es is to you are. Il, elle. See, we have different ending. We have sui, I am. We have a with are. We have est with he is, she is. We have nous sommes. Nous sommes. We have we are. Vous êtes. Speak up. Vous êtes. We have you are formal. And ils, elles sont. We have they are. So répétez après moi. Just we, tu es, il, elle, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Speak. Répétez après moi. Parlez s'il vous plaît. Just we, tu es, il, elle, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. C'est clair. The same way, if I want to convert, because this is my is-MR verb, I should have Avoir Verb also. So basically my Avoir is to, because this is very common things in English language. I am, he is, you have, I have. If you want to know the English language, so you should have these basics like I have, you have. The same in French language also. So this is my irregular verb. My avoir is to have basically in French language. It's a full verb. In English we don't have full verb. We have. Okay, but no. In French language we have a full verb. Avoir is to have. C'est clair. So we have j'ai. Speak up. J'ai is to I have. Why j'ai? Because we have basically je and ai. Ai basically have in French language, but here we have two vowel together. Remember one thing, if we have a two vowel together, like how? If any of your word ending from a vowel, कोई भी any word ending from a vowel and the next word is starting from a vowel, you have to understand one thing. If any of your word ending from a vowel, कोई भी अक्षर आपका vowel पे खत्म हो रहा है and the next word is starting from a vowel, और next अक्षर आपका vowel पे start हो रहा है. I'm repeating one more time. If any of your word ending from a vowel and the next word is starting from a vowel, you have to eliminate first vowel. This is a rule of French language. So your vowel is converted into post of a. So that was the reason, that is j'ai. Tu as. Speak up. Tu as. He has, she has. Sorry, you has, you have. Pardon. J'ai is to I have. Tu as is to you have. Okay. Il, elle a. Il, elle a is to he has, she has. Nous avons. Vous avez. So basically, j'ai is to I have. Tu as is to you have. Il, elle a. Il, elle, he. Il is he. Elle is she. If I'm saying she has, he has. Il, elle a. Nous avons. Nous avons is to we have. Vous avez is to you have. And ils, elles ont. Ils, elles ont is to they have. I'm repeating one more time. See, it is very important to understand. Just we is to I have. J'ai is to I have. tu es is to you are, tu as is to you have. Elle est is to he she is, elle a is to he she has. Nous sommes is to we are, nous savons is to we have. Vous êtes is to you are, vous savez is to you have. Elles sont is to they are, and elles ont is to they have. See, here we have SONT with R plural. Here we have ONT. S would not be there, but we pronounce as in zon. Why? Because we have, if any of your word, see this is rule also, if any of your word ending from a consonant, if any of your word ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, we have to combine the sound. So elles ont, here we have elles sont. C'est clair? So these four verbs would be my irregular verbs. So I hope guys, if you will watch these four verbs, you will come to know basically the pattern of making your sentence. Okay, so definitely this was my lesson 2, and my lesson 3 I will come back today only as soon as possible. So in the next 5-10 minutes time, you will get my lesson 3 with all irregular verbs in French language. Okay, so by the time, take care, au revoir. Okay, and watch this video. I hope it will help you out. Take care. Bye bye.